In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fillet command in AutoCAD. The Fillet command is a simple but powerful tool that replaces a sharp corner between two lines with a smooth arc. It's great for giving a finished look to corners, for preparing geometry for machining, or for simply making a design more visually pleasing. I'll walk you through the exact keystrokes and explain what they do, so you feel confident using this command. Begin by starting the Fillet command. Type the letter F and press Enter. This tells AutoCAD you want to work with the Fillet tool. Once active, you can either accept the current settings or change the radius to control how large the rounded corner will be. To set the radius, type R and press Enter. Now type the numerical value you'd like for the Fillet radius, for example, 10, and press Enter again. The number you enter corresponds to your drawing units, so if your drawing uses millimeters, a value of 10 will give a 10 millimeter radius. If your drawing uses inches, the same number gives a 10-inch radius. Choosing the right radius depends on how subtle or pronounced you want the curve to be relative to the overall geometry. With the Fillet command active and the radius set, select the two lines you want to connect. Click the first line, then click the second line. AutoCAD will trim the lines and insert an arc of the radius you specified, creating a smooth transition. If you don't see the result you expected, try zooming in to confirm the arc, or check that you selected the intended segments and not overlapping geometry. A few tips to make filleting quicker and more predictable. If you need a sharp corner instead of a rounded one, set the radius to 0 to return the corner to a sharp intersection. If your lines fail to fillet because they're not actually intersecting, extend or trim them as necessary before retrying. Keep an eye on your units when entering numeric values, and if you make a mistake, use undo to revert the last operation and try again. Using the Fillet command becomes fast with a little practice, especially once you remember the shorthand. F to start, R to set the radius, and 2 clicks to select the lines. That's all there is to it. Practice on a few sample corners, and you'll be filleting like a pro in no time.